My camera straight? If you guys want to learn the steps you need to become a super affiliate and bring in that passive income you've always wanted, then this is the video for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kyla and I'm here to help all my boss babes and boss dudes learn affiliate marketing, funnels in general, and online business. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and click the subscribe button to let me know you want more free content on YouTube. Affiliate marketing is becoming such a huge thing these days, right? Everyone wants to learn how to run a business online and they want to learn how to create that passive income. So I want to show you a couple steps you need to take to get to that point. And the first one is you need to figure out your why. And I don't want to get all woohoo, right? But it's true. Affiliate marketing is not easy. Affiliate marketing is highly competitive and it's a lot of hard work. And I'm not saying this to discourage you or put you down, but I want to set your expectations up for success, right? And you need to understand why you're wanting to do this. I chose this because I was in a job that I absolutely hated. I had just graduated from college, married my high school sweetheart, and I was in the mode of helping us pay the bills, right? Pay rent, pay groceries. And I got a job and it was just not a good fit for me. And I was really longing that freedom, the ability to run my own hours, make that passive income, travel with my husband, all those other things that weren't possible with my other job. And so that's what got me into affiliate marketing, and that's what keeps me going, because affiliate marketing isn't always going to be easy, and I want to make sure that you know that from the start. But if you put in the time, if you implement the right strategies, and of course put in the hard work, then you're going to get to where you want to be. So once you've figured out that why, I would recommend just sitting down with yourself for 15, 30 minutes and pull out a piece of paper and just kind of brain dump of why you want to get into affiliate marketing and start that and pursue that journey. And once you've figured that out and you still want to continue with affiliate marketing, then you need to pick a product, okay? There's so many products, there's so many companies offer affiliate marketing, and for most companies, you don't have to pay to join their affiliate marketing program, which is awesome. Most companies are free, you just have to fill out some contact information and boom, you're an affiliate. So after that point though, you need to decide what products you're gonna promote. And here is a word and piece of advice from my own experience and from learning from other amazing affiliate marketers is choose one product. Choose what kind of commission you want. So there's low ticket, there's high ticket products, which are typically over $400. There's recurring commissions, which you get paid monthly for everyone who bought the product through your link. And then there's also, things like prizes. You can win cars, computers, phones, things like that. You need to decide what you're interested in. My personal favorite is recurring commissions, and that is my focus at the moment. But high ticket is great if you're just wanting, you have no clue what you're doing, you don't want that pressure of those high ticket things, then low ticket is a great place to start. One program I absolutely love and will recommend till the day I die is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a funnel building software. And if you're looking for a program to start promoting right now, I would highly recommend the One Funnel Away Challenge. They offer 100% commissions. Yeah, that's right. So anyone who buys through your link, you get all that money. So the challenge is $100, and anytime someone buys the challenge through you, you get that $100. And it helps teach you marketing and all those good strategies you need to sell anything, whether you're in affiliate marketing or not. So what I would highly recommend is take that challenge, it's 30 days, then start promoting it. And it's 100% commissions, which is ridiculous. There's a link down below for it if you guys want to check it out. But pick a product and stick with it, okay? They have what's called the shiny object syndrome. It's known throughout affiliate marketing as a whole, and it's when you jump from product to product, and because there's all these cool commissions, there's all these cool incentives for money. And while that's awesome, and while I highly believe in multiple streams of income, choose one and stick with it. And when I say stick with it for 6 months to 12 months, right? A year. and see if you can build success. Do research, be patient, and once you see success with that product, then add another product into your repertoire. Once you've figured out your why, you're committed to this process, you've chosen a product, you've pulled out your credit card, and you've bought the product and used it, because I highly recommend, if you're gonna promote anything in affiliate marketing, if at all possible, try and buy the product yourself. Use it, because it's going to be so much easier to promote. It's going to be so much easier to recommend it to other people if you know what's actually with the product and in it. And that is huge when it comes to affiliate marketing. So once you've done those two things, now you need to conduct research. And this isn't always like the most glamorous thing. This is oftentimes kind of boring, but it's so important, and so many people miss out on this step, because it isn't just about getting your link and link barfing. That's what I call it, all over the internet. We do not want to link barf. That's not how you become a super affiliate. You become a super affiliate, you become someone who can earn that passive income by doing research and finding out who you want to serve, okay? So figuring out, do you want to help serve men or women, or do you want to help serve teenagers or college students or retired parents? I don't know, whatever it is. And what do they need help with? What are some of the problems they're experiencing in their current life? You know, are they entrepreneurs? Are they CEOs? Are they stay-at-home moms? Are they teenagers trying to pay for college, right? There's all these different demographics of people, and once you know who you're wanting to serve, then you can see if your product and, you know, adjust it in a way that will help them solve their problems. And that's huge, and that's a really big part of marketing, which I believe is super important in affiliate marketing and any other marketing in general. The next step you need to take into getting to that super affiliate status, right, is you have to choose a traffic source. And I would highly recommend, just like I said, choose one product, also choose one traffic source, okay? And this can either be paid or organic, okay? So with paid, you have, you know, either Facebook ads, YouTube ads, things like that. And with the organic, you have social and search platforms. So your social are Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and then your search, you know, platforms are YouTube, Pinterest, Google, you know, as far as blogs go. And stick with one, okay? Me, I have YouTube as my source, and I also supplement that with TikTok, but my main focus is YouTube. And so many people I've listened to and done research on, they say this is huge, okay? It's so tempting to want to promote on all the platforms, right? But try and figure out, okay, what platform is my dream audience gonna be on, and how can I reach them the fastest through that platform? And build it up. And again, once you have that platform, you know, you've spent 6 months, a year working, improving on that platform, because it's gonna take time. If you're just starting out with YouTube and you're learning how to make videos, that's gonna take some time. Or you're starting out with Instagram and you're learning how all that works, and stories. Like, it's gonna take some time to really perfect and understand how to reach your audience, and then add another platform on later. But start by picking one traffic source. The next thing you want to do is build an offer, okay? And this is huge, because a lot of affiliate marketers do not do this. You can build an offer around that affiliate link that you're promoting, right? If you have a product, what kind of things complement that product that you could create, or that you could pay someone else to create for you, that would make it even more special to buy? There's so much competition out there with affiliate marketing that it's easy to get lost in all the other people who are promoting the same product as you. But when you create an offer and you make it unique to you, and it complements what you're actually promoting, then that gives people a really good reason to buy from you, and will help you stand out when it comes to things like affiliate marketing and creating that passive income. And that last step that you need to be working towards to become that super affiliate is systemizing and automating your process, right? Because until that point, you don't really have a business. So you want to be able to be publishing content daily and weekly. And then from that point, you have a place where people can give you their email address, whether it's a lead magnet. And if you don't know what a lead magnet is, it's simply you're offering something to someone in exchange for their email address. And so you're collecting email addresses, and then you have a system set up. You have emails that go out to those customers, because also a lot of people don't buy on the first time hearing about a product. In this day and age, people want to know they can trust you. There's so many offers, there's so many people selling things that they want to build trust, they want to get to know you. And so there's a lot of people who won't buy the first time. So by nurturing them, adding value, helping them get to know you through those emails is huge, and creating that email sequence, and also having, funnels or websites that sell your courses or offer your free things, because that's huge, having those free and the courses that you want to promote. And you may think, well, wait, I'm in affiliate marketing, I shouldn't have to build anything. You don't have to build anything with affiliate marketing, but depending on what you're offering, you want to capture those email addresses, so creating bridge pages, all those good things, but creating a system and a process for your business. If you guys want to learn more what it takes to become a super affiliate and actually hear the interviews of over 5 super affiliates that are so incredible, you should check out the Dream Car series down in the description below. It's awesome. If you want access to some incredible affiliate marketers, that is the place to go and learn from. I hope you guys gained some value from this video. If you did, please like the video, subscribe. Feel free to leave me any questions down in the comments below, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.